All right, now we continue with the unboxing video. This is part 2. Something else came in here. I don't have a little stand, so I'm trying to hold the phone in one hand and do it in the other. Look at this little beautiful thing. Size of my hand. And it stashes the ledger. So this will hold the ledger, my cold wallet, and anyone that hasn't seen this video won't know that this is holding it. Nice attractive display. Looks like a dragon egg. I like it. Oh, it's got a nice basing too. I felt it when I set it down. It's got a little stuff on the bottom to make it so it doesn't scratch any surfaces on. Another fine addition by Chris. He's a good craftsman. Now for my mom's memorial. Let's see what he's done. Nice little cleated hanging thing for the back. Look at that beautiful, beautiful work. This is going to hang just nice. Thank you so much, Chris. This means the world to me. I really appreciate it.